Welcome back to the Sometimes Builds. Today we are installing a Tyger tonneau cover on a 2024 GMC Sierra 2500 AT4. This probably fits on any Silverado or Sierra as long as the bed length is the same. So we're going to make this quick. We're going to make this easy. This is a fairly inexpensive tonneau cover to use, but effective. So join us. Welcome back to the Sometimes Builds. As I mentioned, today we're installing this Tyger tonneau cover on this 2024 GMC Sierra. And how much was this, Charlie?
I think it lists for like $190. It's usually got a $30 off or something.
$190, wow.
Versus
all the others are in the $400 to $500 range.
For canvas one, and then you go to the hard covers, they're thousands of dollars.
Charlie decided he trades the truck in too much, so he might as well just get the cheapest tonneau cover.
Well, everyone says you get the hard ones for secure storage. I don't keep anything in the bed, and my solution for storage in the bed is to put one of those Milwaukee pack-out boxes, which I will chain to the bed, and no one's taking it. So I'm going to keep all my tools and stuff back here.
All right, let's check out what's in the box. So, in the box, looks like you get the side rails here, nice and shrink wrapped up. Looks like the accessories for, oh, that's the weather seal for the back. All the Tyger tonneau covers are the same. Box of accessories and hardware, probably the 4 clamps to clamp the rails down, and then the tonneau cover itself. Must be heavy duty. You get not 4, but 6. So this is the type of rail that will sit on the top of the bed and then get clamped down under the bed. A fairly universal design that a lot of the Tyger tonneau covers use. And then you'll see there's measurements here, and that's where you can adjust for tightness. Because this tonneau cover will expand and contract over time with heat and weather. It gets pushed into here, and then there's a side screw that goes into here that holds all these corners together up in the back. So take some alcohol spray, isopropyl alcohol, and clean off the surface. Get any grease, residue, and end up leaving half of the rag you're using behind on the bed cover. So it lines up right here at the edge, and we're lined up with the back, so we're squaring it off.
Squaring it off with eyeballs.
Yep, there's no ruler being used here.
Like how this has a label that says use on to seal it and wherever else you might need it.
And it's just enough. Well, you get 2 inches to use wherever you might need it. But now that that's on, these can get slid back and put the tonneau cover on right there. Yeah, basically flip it out of the way, and then you can get to this. So this is the back of the tonneau cover. And what you want to do is slide this together right here. Which it doesn't matter where you put it right now, because the clamps are what's going to hold it on. This is just assembling the frame. You see right here, this is the screw you would tighten. You push this together, get it super tight, and then it feels like a Phillips. I can't tell what it is. And then this will hold this corner together, and there's the same on the other side. Next step in the instruction manual is positioning of the side rails. But here in the picture, it looks like you do 1, 2, and then 1 in the middle, and then 1, 2, and then 1 in the middle. So you see here, it sits underneath, and then the upper portion sits in this channel right here. So it'll clamp down right there. And then you just take looks like a 10, zip it down. The GMC, you want 1 on both ends, and then 1 in the middle, 1 on both ends, and then 1 in the middle. This looks worlds easier than doing it on anything Toyota with their integrated bed rail system. Granted, the Toyota bed rail system is really nice, but you have to slide these in from the end. before you tighten it down, you want to make sure you have this squared off. You don't want this end to be too far this way and then this end to be too far that way, and then the whole thing is a little wonky. So get the bed get the tonneau cover in the position you want before you lock it down. But yep, we are lined up here. So we have this lined up right here with the edge of the bed. So water will, ideally you want water to hit this tonneau cover and then fall straight down between the bed and the cab. You don't want it to hit the actual bed and then potentially go back in. You might have to push up on this nut right here as you're locking it down, because putting the drill down will make it fall out of the channel, and sitting in that channel is what locks the nut from moving. So see here, just take it slow until it starts to clamp. Get it tight-ish, but you don't have to go crazy until you get them all ready. And he's OCD, so he's going to make sure they are lined up in the middle. He just can't help himself. So before he tightens it down, he's going to pull the tonneau cover out and just make sure everything looks square, everything looks good, and then we'll roll it back up and then tighten up all the clamps. And this just rolls straight out, and we'll get this not out of there. The one I had on my Tacoma did not have this nice seal all the way around it. Yeah, get those caps.
Yeah.
Come on in, water. I mean, you probably could get a 1/2 inch by moving it, but then, I don't know, I'd rather have it just not touch the bed here. Here, it's probably going to blow away.
Yeah.
So there are straps right here, and when you do not want the tonneau cover all the way in the closed position, you don't want it flapping around, you use this and lock it in. So now he's going and tightening all of these down with the impact gun. And that is that. Now he can hide all of his trash, and his HOA won't complain. And that is installing a Tyger tonneau cover on a 2024 GMC Sierra 2500 AT4. Again, this will fit on either GMC or a Chevy Silverado, as long as the bed length is the same. You don't get the regular cab or the extended cab. I don't know what models they have anymore, but it looks good, and most importantly, it's cheap. So you figure this will last you 5 to 8 years, easily.
And throw it away, I throw it away.
Yeah, this was, when you got it, you said 190.
It was 190 with $30 or $40 off.
So in this economy, that's not bad for a tonneau cover this size. Well, if you like this kind of content and GMC Sierra content in particular, let me know in the comments below. I know that'll only encourage him to buy more stuff for this GMC Sierra, but I'm sure he's already gonna buy some more stuff. So if you like this kind of content, subscribe below. Any questions, drop them in the comments below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time. Peace.